Hey Jack, it's Josh Betzel. It was nice accidentally meeting you today on the phone. I hope you're able to get that phone number situated so you can stop getting calls from flooring companies. But this is that video I was telling you about that's going to be showing you the 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. And you're probably sitting there wondering, well, Josh, why the heck are you making this video for me? Well, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to getting help from someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So I found by giving people an easy free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, hey, I like what you're doing, Josh. Can you please keep doing this for me? So if by the end of this video, if you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, shoot me a message back and we could chat. Or if at the end of this video, you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you to do yourself, that totally works for me too. So now let me show you the 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. First thing I want to go over is content. When I'm talking about content, I'm not talking about just the amount of words on your page, but what type of words you're using. But I plugged your homepage content into this wordcounter.net and it came up with 312 words. Where we really want to be is at least 1,500 on our homepage, and this is the reason why. Google sends out these robots, and these robots, they go and crawl through content to look through keywords. But the more content you have, the more they crawl, the more you recognize. So what are these keywords I'm talking about? So I go over here to this Keywords Everywhere tool. I use it. It's about $10 for 100,000 credits, which will last you a couple months easily if you're interested. But anyways, it shows you what keywords you're ranking for on your website. And I noticed here a lot of the keywords that you're ranking number 1 for aren't very tailored specific to your services or service area, if that makes sense. So I'm going to show you an example here by going over to your competition, which is the Forbes law firm. They're your competition because when you type in defense attorney Jacksonville, Florida, we get our ads and we get our Google Map Pack, and we'll get to that in a second. But organically ranked, they are number 1, therefore your competition. When I plugged their website into Word Counter or their homepage, they came up with almost 1,100 words, all right? And what keywords they're ranking for, this is them right here. Criminal defense attorney Jacksonville, Florida. Criminal defense attorney Jacksonville, Florida. Lawyers in Jacksonville. Criminal lawyers Jacksonville, Florida. They're all ranked in at least the top 5 of all these keywords, all right? So all this volume here, these are all people searching per month looking for tailored services to their area of criminal defense lawyers, all right? So these are eyes that you could be missing out on, or calls you could be missing out on for getting business to your website, all right? The second thing I want to talk to you about was actually just how this first page of Google's laid out. Below your search bar, of course, you have the ads, and ads are good. Ads are good, okay? But the research shows that they're only semi-effective and can become a huge money pit if they're not utilized correctly. The second thing we see is the map pack, all right? And I'm going to show you how to get ranked in this map pack because I believe I found you on the 5th page. Yes, sir, 5th page, all right? So citations. Citations, in short, is how you get ranked in this map pack, okay? Anything with the NAP, name, address, or phone number. I believe you had 66 when I plugged you into my site. Yeah, 66. This is a local citation finder by Whitespark, by the way. Runs you around $30 to $70 per month, depending on your plan. But yeah, you have 66. All right. Your company, your competition has 40, less than you. That's why they're ranked lower than you on the map pack. But here's the thing. You only have 8 Google reviews. You really want to get more Google reviews in there. And I see that you're at 4.5 stars, which is awesome because that shows you're all about customer satisfaction, which I am all about as well. But your description, you need a better description in here. Google offers a 750 character limit on your Google My Business description, and you need to optimize every single one of those characters with those implemented keywords in there as well, which will help you. Okay, so you need about 200 to 300 citations to beat your competition out by a landslide. All right, now let's go to the third thing I want to talk to you about, which is backlinks, referring domains, and link juice. This link juice works like this. For example, LinkedIn is pointing to your website, therefore LinkedIn is acting like link juice, which gives your website more authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effectively when you have relative sites linking back at you. I emphasize relative because it is so important for business owners to know this. I'll give you an example. If you have let's say LinkedIn again. If you have LinkedIn linking to you, that would be more effective than Pizza Hut linking to you because, well, let's be honest, you sling defense attorneys for a living, you don't sling pizzas, you know? Anyways, so this is Ahrefs, a phenomenal SEO tool I use. It costs you about $170 a month if you want to do this on your own, but it shows you how many referring domains, backlinks, the drive on your website, and the integrity of your website. It also shows you organic keywords, just like the Keywords Everywhere tool. But anyways, here's your competitions. 90 referring domains, 14.2K backlinks, okay? So now you're wondering, hey, this person has more backlinks than me, but they don't have nearly as much as referring domains, so how are they beating me? Well, that goes back to when I say that you have to have relative sites linking back at you, because I know people in this field of digital marketing that will just throw guest posts, influence links, blog comments, and citations without any goal in mind. They just throw them in there thinking it's going to do something, but it doesn't. It doesn't give them that drive. It doesn't give them that integrity that Google likes to see. All right. So that's why you need it to really go through your competition and realize what type of blog comments, influence links, guest post citations, etc. that they have, but mainly those four. But I also noticed on your website that you have areas in Boca, I believe, yes, Boca, Orlando, Savannah, St. Pete, Savannah, Georgia, excuse me. That is incredible, but you need back pages on your website to those locations if you want to get them ranked, because right now all these backlinks and all these referring domains, they're just generically up there on your homepage with all the service areas. They're not really getting tailored towards a specific service area. I know that you have the offices here, which is phenomenal, but you don't have a back pages with these locations, and that's very, very important if you want to get ranked organically in your service areas. All right, so I hope this helps out a little bit, and I just kind of want to go back over the three things we talked about. And the first thing was content. So you want to add more content. You need at least 1,500 words to be optimized with Google for those robots to crawl and look for those keywords and implement those keywords through your competition into your website so you could be recognized for them better. The second thing was the Google Map Pack with citations. How you rising here? You got to get 200 to 300 of these bad boys to be optimized on the Google Map Pack and beat your competition out by a landslide. Okay. The last thing was link juice and backlinks, referring domains. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority. Okay? So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provide you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 904-383-8479. Once again, my name is Josh, and my number is 904-383-8479. I look forward to hearing from you, and have a great day.